members of the command group, directorial staff, officers and men, the promotees, families of the promotees and loved ones of the promotees. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am very much dismayed to see officers getting promoted na hindi man lang marunong mag-stand at attention. A basic element of discipline is how to stand at attention. Ngayon, magpa-promote kayo, hindi kayo marunong magtayo ng atensyon. May PNCO, babae, magpa-promote, ayaw mo na magtali ng buhok. Those are simple manifestation of the breakdown of discipline that we are now experiencing, that we are now suffering from. Pa-promote kayo, tapos ganun kayong kakulang sa disiplina. Sorry for those snappy officers and PNCOs. Madadamay kayo. But because of that, ayaw nating pansinin simple infractions. Kagaya ng babae, nasa formation, ayaw natin sitahin. Dahil baka mapahiya. That's bullshit. Ayaw natin sitahin dahil opisyal, mapopromote. Hindi marunong mag-stand ng atensyon. Baka mapahiya, andito yung pamilya. Kaya tayo, nagkakaganito. Dahil walang disiplina. Kulang sa disiplina. Kaya, akala ko, today, magpa-flag racing kayo ngayon. O, magduduling ng new ranks ninyo with your new Chief PNP. I have tendered my resignation to the President the other day. Kala ko, itong Monday na ito, hindi na ako makakaharap sa inyo. I really tendered my resignation. Baka akala ninyo, kapito ko sa posisyon. I am already tired. I am very much ashamed. I am very much embarrassed. I am very much disappointed. I ran out of reason for my continued stay as your Chief PNP. Gusto kong i-save yung imahe ng Philippine National Police. I don't want that the remaining year of my service is contributory to the further demise of the once very highly appreciated organization. Kakala ninyo, masaya ako sa aking pagiging Chief PNP. No. I want to go home. I want to go back to Davao. I tendered my resignation plus immediate retirement. I want to retire on that day. Ayaw ko nang i-further pa yung kahihiyan na ating ngayong tinatamo. dahil sa ating mga kasamahan na wala ng disiplina, puro pagkademunyuhan ang nasa utak. Ilan sa inyo dito ang may utak na Santa Isabel? Alam ko marami pa. Ilan sa inyo dito ang may utak na Dumlao? Alam ko marami pa. Hindi ko nila lahat. Pasensya na yung mga pulis natin na nagtatrabaho ng matino. Alam ko mas marami tayong matino at galit na sa mga pangyayari. But if we not do drastic actions, walang mangyayari sa PNP. That is why the most drastic, sabi nga lang, the most bitter pill for a chief PNP to swallow is to tender his resignation. And I'm willing to do that. I was willing to do that in order to save the image of the PNP, in order to give free hand to our president to choose the right person to lead this organization, to meet the expectations of the Filipino people. Because alam kong I failed. You can just imagine kidnapin ang Koreano, patayin pa dito sa loob ng kampo, Camp Crame. Kung kayo ang chief PNP, hindi ba kayo mag-resign sa kakahiyan? Yang hiya na ako. But unluckily, very unlucky for me, my resignation was declined by the President. Very unlucky of me. That is why, from now on, you expect me to be ruthless, to be unforgiving to those scalawags in uniform. I want to spend the remaining months of my career in a easy fashion, in a relaxing mode. Dahil matanda ka na nga, you are already retirable within 1 year. Mag-accumulate ka pa ng stress sa buhay mo. Kung gusto ko sana mag-relax, that's why I resigned. But the President told me, no, you go back and smash the heads of those scalawags. Palakpak kayo ng palakpak, akala nyo masarap itong buhay ko. Gentlemen, ang disiplina ay nag-i-start sa maliliit na bagay. A simple standing at attention is what discipline is. A simple tying of the hair, yan ang disiplina. Kaya, maliit na bagay na yan, pag hindi natin sinisita, hindi natin kinukosyon, dahil nga, ayaw natin mapahiya ang tao. Dahil nga, o wala lang kayo talaga simpleng pakialam, dahil kayo mismo ang discipline. Pag pabayaan natin yan, lalaki at lalaki yan, yung mga simple infraction na yan, into heinous crimes. Do you think itong mga Santa Isabel na ito, itong mga Dumlao na ito, nag-start ng kanilang kalukuhan sa heinous crime kaagad? No. It started from a very simple beginning, a very simple infraction. Pero pinabayaan ng kanilang mga opisyal, lumaki ang ulo, nagsilaw na ng gusto sa pera, kaya lumaki ang problema. Kaya andito tayo ngayon. Very unfortunate po ba? Tayo mga matino, tayo nagsusumikap na pagandahin ang imahe ng PNP ay biglang naglaho dahil sa karantaduan itong mga pulis na ito. Kaya huwag na natin yang pabayaan. I implore everyone, officers, PNCOs, in UPs, please, if you love this organization, help me reform the PNP. Huwag niyo akong pabayaan. It is our moral responsibility. We've been feeding our families with our salary coming from the PNP. We've been feeding ourselves with the money that we receive from our salaries in the PNP. Kaya, makonsensya naman kayo. Makonsensya tayo. Let's give back what is due to the PNP. Ano yan? Yan ay ang tamang disiplina at yan ang tamang pagmamahal sa ating organisasyon. You can just imagine our war on drugs. Was already very victorious at this point of time. We have achieved our goals. We have achieved our targets. But because of that, the President stripped us of our powers to enforce the drug law. Hindi na tayo pwede mag-operate sa anti-drugs. No more anti-drug operations. We have to focus our efforts towards internal cleansing. And by that time, na ma-cleanse natin ang PNP, the President will determine that and he will instruct us to go back to our war on drugs. But right now, no more drug operations. Let us keep off drugs and focus on internal cleansing. That is why, starting today, I have dissolved the anti-illegal drugs group. All anti-drug units from the national to the police station level, yung mga ride shot na yan, paid shot, side shot, lahat yan, dissolved, deactivated. No more drugs. Concentrate tayo ngayon on managing our police operations. Yung ating 7 focus crimes, doon tayo ngayon mag-concentrate. Internal cleansing, for that matter, effective today, we are creating the Counterintelligence Task Force of the PNP. Wala itong gagawin, wala itong ibang mission, kundi habulin to run after all iskalawags in the PNP. Kaya kayong mga sindikatong pulis, tingnan natin ngayon, lumaban kayo para kayo mamamatay. Papatayin kayo nitong Counterintelligence Task Force. Lahat ng mga eskalawag, from PO1 to General, this will be your enemy kung kayo eskalawag. Yung Counterintelligence Task Force. Wala ito ibang misyon, kundi habulin lahat ng tiwaling pulis. Tingnan natin. tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung galing ninyo. Kayo mga sindikatong pulis. Pasensya na po kayo, mga mahal sa ating promotees, nadamay kayo sa aking paglalabas ng sama ng loob. Ito po pinapalabas ko dahil sa sobrang sama ng loob. Kailangan ilabas. Otherwise, baka mag-collapse ako sa sama ng loob. Kaya pasensya na kayo. To the promotees, you know yourself. You know very well yourself. Kung kayo ay sindikato, kayo ang pinatamaan ko. Pero kung kayo ay matino, kayo yung ini-encourage ko na tumulong para malinis itong PNP. Is that clear?
Yes, sir!
Is that clear?
Yes, sir!
So, from here on, siguruhin ninyo, pag may makita kayo infraction, spot correction. Spot correction. Huwag nyo pabayaang lumaki yung kataradaduhan ng pulis na ginagawa na yan. I-correct nyo kagad. Huwag nyo pabayaan. Ibalik natin yung kultura natin noon, noong panahon ng PC. Na yung constable takot sa C2C. Yung C2C takot sa C1C. Yung C1C takot sa sarhento. And so on and so forth. Yung second lieutenant, takot na takot sa first lieutenant. Dahil minimaintain natin seniority. Ibalik natin ang kultura na yan. At kung kinakailangang manuntok, manipa, mambaseball bat ng mga siraulong pulis, gawin ninyo. Wala nang disiplina natin dahil puro tayo takot na magkakaso. Huwag na kayo mag-opisyal. Kung wala kayong bayag, ayaw yung disiplinahin nyo yung tauhan. Ha, kayo dyan, mga opisyal na nakaupo, narinig nyo?
Yes,
Kayo, narinig nyo? Bakit mahina? Narinig nyo?
Yes, sir!
Kayo dito, mga hirang, narinig nyo?
Yes, sir!
Maraming salamat. Again, congratulations sa mga promotees. Sana po, tumulong kayo sa ikagaganda ng Philippine National Police. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga ulit sa atin lahat.
Thank you. Chief International Police. Please be seated. At this point, we'd like to request the Chief of the Philippine National Police for the ceremonial round of applause. And I'd like to request the members of the command group, that is the QPNP. And we'd like to invite all senior officers also to assist in the counting and pinning of rounds. And the loved ones, friends, relatives of our promotees who may now approach our promotees for the counting and pinning of rounds.